Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Can I See 3D Renderings of My Kitchen Before Construction Starts? Imagine this. You're standing in the middle of what is soon to be your brand new kitchen, and wait for it. It already exists, but only in glorious 3D. Thanks to the wonders of modern technology, seeing 3D renderings of your kitchen before a single nail is hammered is as real as that vibrant Arizona sun. Let's get something straight. 3D renderings are a game changer. They provide a virtual peek into what your future kitchen will look like, from the layout of your breakfast nook to the gleam of those countertops you've been eyeing. It's like a crystal ball, but without the spooky fortune teller and mystical fog. These renderings offer more than just a sneak peek. They give you the opportunity to perfect your dream design before committing to costly decisions. Whether it's rearranging cabinets to prevent a potential elbowy dance or visually critiquing various tile choices, it's all possible before seeing construction dust. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Now I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choose a remodeler who welcomes 3D technology into their toolkit like a cherished relative into their home. These pros use detailed software to incorporate measurements, finishes, and details so accurate you could swear your Aunt Mabel's lasagna is already simmering on the stove. Another perk? The end result is fewer costly surprises and disagreements over design changes. You can explore various options and make adjustments without a single crash of a sledgehammer. It's innovation at its finest, transforming the unknown into the known, and murmurs into moments of aha. These renderings even let you see how different lighting will affect your space. Want to bask your new color palette in morning light? Or view that sleek island in ambient dusk glow? You got it. It's your virtual world. Play as director to your kitchen's Broadway debut. So, yes, not only can you see 3D renderings before construction begins, but you should insist on it. It assures clarity, confidence, and cohesion. A blueprint for better decisions and even better results. It's the bridge between vision and reality, all without so much as a speck of dust on the horizon. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.